Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at this beautiful apartment within the Royal Terrace on Newbold Terrace, Leamington Spa. The property has 3 double bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, it's got secure parking for 1 car at the rear and it's got its own communal gardens with stunning views across the Jephson Gardens. Let's take a look inside. An amazing feature of this property is the fact that you've got your own elevator from the ground floor which takes you up and into your own apartment personally. Newbold Terrace is one of Leamington's most desirable streets for the main reason it is adjacent to the beautiful and iconic Jephson Gardens and just across the road the 300-acre Newbold Common Country Park. Join me in the communal gardens of this amazing property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.